Give the description of switched mode power supply. We have covered about power supplies and their classification in detail. Power supplies are needed because we need a circuit to convert AC supply from the powerhouse into a regulated DC. We have studied about two types of regulators. We prefer switched mode power supply in place of linear power supply when we need higher efficiency. Smaller size or lighter weight are required. Disadvantages of SMPS are their switching currents can cause electrical noise and, if not designed carefully, they may have a poor power factor. The switched mode power supply converts the available unregulated AC or DC input voltage to a regulated DC output voltage. Let us discuss about block diagram of switched mode power supply. The block diagram of SMPS consists of 8 elements: rectifier and filter, high frequency switch, transformer, output sensor, isolation, feedback block, PWM oscillator. Now let us discuss about operation of switched mode power supply. First of all, primary input power is received from AC input. After that, it is rectified and filtered as high voltage DC. It is then switched at a high rate of speed. It is fed to the primary side of a step-down transformer. The step-down transformer is only fraction of the size of a comparable 50 Hz unit. The output of secondary side of transformer is rectified and filtered. Then it is sent to the output of the power supply. A sample of this output is sent back to the switch to control the output voltage. Now let us see switched mode power supply waveform. The reference waveform and low and high DC output switch waveform is represented as: when the duty cycle is 50%, then the maximum amount of energy will be passed through the transformer. When the duty cycle is 10%, then the minimum amount of energy will be passed through the transformer. Related term is